I'm John Mark A. Inaanuran from Barangay Daungan, Mauban, Quezon, Philippines. My birthday is November 1988 at Mauban, Quezon Province. I'm 27 years old, single. My citizenship is Filipino. My height is 5'6". My educational attainment: primary, Mauban North Elementary School 1. Secondary, Manuel Esenberga Memorial College of Arts and Trade. Vocational, Manuel Esenberga Memorial College of Arts and Trade, Civil Technology. My skills is flexible in any work and hardworking. My work experience are production operator, Fujitsu Ditech at Santa Rosa, Laguna. Production operator, HTI at Rosario, Cavite. Production operator, SCAD at Rosario, Cavite. Helper welder, East-West Work and Industrial Service, INC at Quezon Power Plant, Mauban, Quezon, Philippines.